Peak Commercial and Industrial is one of the premier global producers of diesel exhaust fluid, or DEF. In addition to producing Peak's branded DEF solution, BlueDEF, we also have a complete portfolio of DEF storage and dispensing solutions that can meet any of your commercial or retail needs. Many bulk and bulk storage and dispensing solutions will become more common as more and more SCR vehicles enter the marketplace. Distributors, fleet centers, and truck stops will transition to bulk storage and dispensing solutions as their customers' DEF volume increases. Because the forecast for DEF consumption over the next decades will continue to climb with the increase in the number of vehicles requiring DEF. In the next 6 years, the number of SCR-equipped vehicles on the road could quadruple, and with the recent addition of the off-road and ag market, DEF consumption will increase by 5 times the current rate by 2020. DEF is comprised of deionized water and 32.5% ultra-pure automotive-grade urea. To work correctly and effectively in an SCR system, the chemical makeup of DEF is precisely controlled and described in the International Standards Organization's ISO 22241 purity standard. From manufacture to engine, it is critical that the purity of DEF is maintained. Because of the chemical properties of DEF, it can react with certain non-compatible materials, including certain metals, plastics, and rubber, and that reaction will contaminate the DEF and damage the vehicle's SCR system. DEF can only be stored in specific types of containers. Pumps and delivery mechanisms must be specifically designed so that DEF doesn't come in contact with any incompatible materials, like certain soft metals, some plastics, and rubber, including gaskets. BlueDEF containers and the resupply of those containers needs to be strictly controlled, not allowing contaminants from hoses or even open-air ports that could allow dust, dirt, and airborne pollutants to spoil the purity of the DEF. Peak BlueDEF maintains bulk purity by utilization of a dedicated fleet. The fleet is designed and maintained to exacting standards with the exclusive use of DEF-certified parts and pumps. Once a truck is put into our DEF delivery service, it only transports DEF. Our competitors often use common carriers delivering other products. This purity is maintained at the bulk tank because Peak Commercial and Industrial has purpose-built closed systems that maintain the highest standards of purity by nearly eliminating outside contaminants. These systems protect the DEF when it is moved to the shipping container, when it is transported, and all the way to delivery at your facility's bulk tank. Because SCR-equipped vehicles can't operate without DEF, it's important to always have enough DEF on hand. Purchasing DEF in bulk is very cost-effective. Depending on volume, these discounts can reach 75%. You can use the calculator tool on our website to determine how much DEF you'll need to support your or your customers' needs. Peak has developed a wide range of DEF storage and dispensing systems to meet the needs and requirements of our customers. Our bulk systems include our mini bulk system, which is comprised of 500-gallon to 2,000-gallon tanks. These systems are expandable in 500-gallon increments. This is an ideal dispenser for fleet or retail use. It's designed to easily be installed on a standard fuel island. It is completely pre-wired, pre-piped, and insulated for use in cold or hot climates. These systems can be fitted with a variety of dispensing options that work for commercial or retail applications. Dispensing options include your choice of optional industry-standard nozzles. Peak also has a wide range of indoor bulk storage and dispensing solutions. These range in size from 500 to 20,000 gallons and come with pumping and filtration systems with stainless steel fittings that maintain the highest purity standards of BlueDEF. These systems are pre-installed with all necessary fittings, seals, and pipe dope. The dispensing system includes a pump, hose, filtration system, and optional choice of retail or fleet DEF dispenser. Peak can even provide below-ground bulk storage solutions. These tanks can integrate with a variety of dispensing options. Having these large volume tanks provides the best bulk purchase savings on DEF and saves space since the tanks are below ground. Peak oversees these installations, providing valuable expertise and can assist in contracting installation services or provide them as part of the purchase. Peak Commercial and Industrial provides complete end-to-end solutions that are simple, reliable, cost-effective, and maintain the critical purity of DEF no matter what the application or installation. The purity of DEF is the critical reason for choosing a diesel exhaust fluid supplier, and Peak Commercial and Industrial is dedicated to delivering the highest quality DEF chemicals and bulk dispensing solutions, all serviced by one of the largest networks of DEF manufacturing and distribution in the U.S.